mean, did it look like this when you bought it?
No, it was pretty rough.
Was it?
Pretty rusty. It was burgundy colored, and got some pictures of it there, but it's...
We'll have to throw them in. Justin, put them in the clip, boy. Anyway, so it was bad, huh?
I had to replace most of the sheet metal.
Wow. Did it have a motor and tranny?
No. No motor, transmission, no interior.
Dang.
Had a title.
69 Camaro title.
69 Camaro title. And
Dang.
see, it was pretty rough, but had a guy help me pop the bluff, Danny Morgan. He painted the car, and I did a lot of the underneath work and did assembly once we got it all painted.
Yeah?
Turned out pretty good.
Oh, dude, it looks awesome. When you bought the car, was your plan from there to make it a Yenko clone, or was that something down the line you thought that'd be cool to?
Well, it kind of morphed into that. It was going to be silver at first.
Oh, no kidding.
And I was going to paint it silver and put Yenko stripes on it. But
Yeah.
then I got to doing some research. They didn't make a silver Yenko.
Did not know that.
So, in a 69 Camaro. So I got to doing a little more research, and then I went to a supercar reunion in Collinsville, Illinois, and walked in the building and seen them orange ones, and I thought, wow,
That looks cool.
stands out. So,
Yeah.
I'll build me an orange one.
Heck yeah. Dude, this car, you guys will see it in the video, but it's unreal how nice it is. And them pictures is just like, holy cow. You'd think the dang thing would be sitting in a junkyard somewhere. I mean, you made it look good. I mean, I don't want to give you a big head or anything, but you're bad to the bone, brother.
This is a 5-year project.
Damn. Well, I got a question for you. Can we take a ride?
You bet.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Let's do it, baby. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, it sounds sweet. My gosh, that's a perfect looking car. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Love that freaking car. And that color is awesome. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Oh!
Don't worry, I got it.
Thank you, brother. Dude, this looks awesome on this, whoops. Oh, crap. I hit the button too many times or something. Let's see. Oh, it's filming. That's gonna be so good, dude, when you're jamming them gears, baby.
Jamming gears, I don't do that.
Fat guy in a little Camaro.
More than one.
Yeah, no joke. God, boy.
Ready?
Heck
Yep.
yeah. Dave, how did you find it?
I was a friend to a friend.
Yeah?
Heard about it for sale, went and bought it.
And when you bought it, she was all junky and you built her from the ground up, huh?
Yeah, she's a little rough.
That's so cool, man.
Took about 5 years.
Oh, really?
Took it off the frame, put on a rotisserie for a good while.
Wow. Well, you did it right, dude. I can't get over how good it rides, you know it?
Yeah, for sure.
He said it's all stock suspension. It rides
Really?
awesome.
Yeah. Wow, it does.
It really does.
I would have not guessed that.
Oh, me neither.
The springs in the car was in when I bought it. I didn't even
Wow.
I love it.
You put new gauges and everything, Dave, or was that in there?
Yeah, everything's been changed.
Dash, everything. It's so sweet, boy. Oh, I love it. Such a cool ride.
My lawnmower is.
Yeah.
Somehow I don't believe it.
I know. I know it.
Filming?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. to this thing
Oh,
on
yeah.
Cause it's crazy.
It is.
Oh man, jamming in gears. Dude. Ah, David, you might be the coolest friend that I know.
Hey!
I mean,
I get it, honestly, I get it.
Holy crap, that car's awesome. Hey, listen to it thumping, baby.
Yeah. Seriously, that
Oh,
car's
dude,
awesome.
hey, I love it, Rob.
I seriously love that car.
Here's what's cool, seriously. I love the race car, but if I had to pick one,
Yeah.
I'd pick that because that car's fast. And you say, hey, you want to go to St. Louis tonight? You could actually
do it.
go.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what's cool about that
what's
car.
cool. Seriously.
Ooh,
That's
dang.
I love it.
Steal it. Do I look like a model standing by this thing? Oh. So, how did the Yenko thing come across? Like, did somebody buy a brand new Camaro and take it to this guy?
Well, Don Yenko had a dealership in, I think it was Pennsylvania.
Oh, he had his own
And,
dealership?
and he just bought a few of them and put the 427s in and the stripes and tuned them different.
Yeah.
You know, he just,
And they took off, huh?
yeah. There's a bunch of different, you know, there was Baldwin Motion, there was
Yeah.
Dick
But the
Harrell,
Yenko
there was-
definitely stands
Yenko's
out.
stand out more as a stripe package. I think
Yeah.
makes them more popular.
And yeah, he didn't just do Camaros, did he? He done Camaros and whatever,
Novas,
right?
Chevelle, even Corvairs.
Oh, did not know that.
And, you know,
Oh.
like 65 and 6, I think. Somewhere
Wow, I bet that looked horrible. Anyway.
Bought this in 02. It
Was it a stick when you bought it?
It originally was a stick car. Took it off the frame. It was about a 5-year process.
Wow.
Anyway, it took a while to get it built. And we finished it in 09. Went to a few car shows.
What was the original color?
Well, it was originally a green from the
Really?
factory. It was burgundy when I bought it. And like I say, there was no interior. It was,
Yeah.
There was nothing.
Oh, dude, what do you think? I love that old Camaro.
Oh,
don't you?
dude, that thing's awesome. Like,
What's real cool is it's a stick.
Yeah.
I love
Makes
that
it
part of
super
it,
awesome.
man. Heck yeah.
this thing, Stan can't get over it.
I
It's
know.
awesome.
It's stick, big block, stick car.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, it's awesome.
Number one Davis
Heck
vehicles,
yeah.
they're awesome.
Hey, put in the comments what you think about that old
Heck yeah.
car, baby, because we love it. But
Heck
you
yeah.
know what? We got some other filming to do, and we got to get
Non-stop.
the heck out of here, baby.
Hey, like and subscribe, guys.
It's free.
It's
Why
free.
not? Hey, Rob.
Why not?
See ya. Did I hit the wrong side?
Yep. Seriously,
Ooh,
that's
dang.
I love it.
Steal it.
Okay.